Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there? Happy Friday. Hope everybody's having a great and wonderful day. Just wanted to come to you real quick, guys, and do this quick video for Easy One Up. I joined this program last year in 2017. You haven't seen me do a lot of videos, but I'm still in the program. I've been doing some behind the scenes marketing as well. But this is a great program. It was created by Peter Wolf, and it's about 2 years old now. It's digital education, guys, digital training to teach you how to market online. The training that comes with this can be accessed from anywhere as long as you have internet, okay? So you can access your training from any device. Now, the other thing about this program is, guess what? It's also in Spanish, okay? It's the only other program that I am aware of, digital education, that has the same program in the Spanish version. So you're getting two programs, guys, for the same price. Okay, so if you have a Spanish market, you can market this in Spanish. Okay, so digital education is what you're getting here, and there's 5 products on the table, 5 product packages. Okay, the $25 package, and there's all the training you get. $100 package, $250. Okay, and there's all the training that you get there. $500 package, and the $1,000 package. Okay, so pick a package, get started, pay the admin fee, and then you will just pass up the amount of that product package to your inviter. Okay, so this is a great program. Got 5 levels to it. I wouldn't go at the 25 level, guys. You're here to make money, so I wouldn't even deal with the $25 level. I'm just saying. All right, so 5 levels. Pick one of those packages, and it's 100% commission. Okay, and you decide how you want to receive your payment. That is totally up to you, how you want to receive it. Okay, and they will receive an email from the company. It's instant setup. Once they receive the email from the company, they pay the admin. Excuse me. And then they pay you. You're going to go in your back office. It's real simple. You just go in your back office, find the person's name, and click them off as paid. And then they have access to the product that they actually purchased. Okay, everything is included. You have an autoresponder with this. You also have 2 capture pages with this system as well. Okay. Now, what I've been using is a third-party marketing system that's been approved by the owner, and it's called Vertex. Vertex Lead System. Okay. This is what I've been using. As soon as I joined up, so it came out not long after I joined, and I immediately purchased this system. This is what's doing all the selling and telling for me, so I don't have to explain what this business is. Okay? And you won't either. So, what it will do is explains everything to your prospect. There's a presentation that's going to run. And everything is there, guys. They even have an FAQ section. So, it's pretty self-explanatory for this business. So, most people watch it. It's going to sift and sort them out. If they're not interested, then no worries, because you're going to keep feeding the funnel, meaning you're going to get as many prospects to your website as possible. And we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, as you can see right here, it's a one-time $97, but it's well worth it. It pays itself off. Now, half of that, well, 50 of it is going to come to you. So that's a great thing. So you're maximizing your business as a whole. That's what it's all about. Your marketing system, you're going to get paid a commission on that. So you're going to get $50 and 47 goes to the company. So that's a win-win. Okay. So you're going to make your 50 plus you're going to make whatever it is, the commission on the product packages. Okay. So it's a great all-in-one system. It has about 23 capture pages with it, which is great. So there's plenty choices that you can choose from on your capture page. Now, once they opt in, they're going to go to a page like this, which is the presentation that's going to do all the selling and telling for you. This is the page that I'm speaking of right here. Okay, they watch this video right here, and it explains everything, how the business works, how we get paid. It even shows them a 12-week plan and the potential income they can make in 12 weeks. Then it has your picture here, your information, your phone number, your email, so it brands you, okay, to the business, so they can give you a call. I'm kind of scrolling through this, but the system is running a little slow. So bear with me a second here. And down here is where the FAQ section is. So the system can answer quite a bit of their questions. You may get a few phone calls, but we'll work through it, and I'm here to help you as well. So they have the FAQ there, and they watch this video. Okay, either they're in or they're out. No worries. Again, we're continuously getting prospects to our presentation, so we don't have to worry about who's not joining and who is joining. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quickly. Let me try to close some of this stuff down. That's probably some of my problem here. Hold on one second. Okay, so you see right here, there's 23 different capture pages, guys. That is unbelievable, because I know when I used to purchase capture page systems, I would spend $30, $40, $50 a month, and we didn't have this many capture pages. And these are all mobile friendly as well, mobile optimized, so they look great on your phone. Okay, so you pick one of these capture pages. You drive your prospects to the capture page, they enter their information, and then they watch that video that I just was showing you, okay? And they decide to join, and they reach out to you, and they may ask you a few questions, and then you're all set, okay? So this is a great program to get started in. Pick a package, pick the package, pay your admin, and then you would pay the level in which you're joining at. So if you want to join the $500 level, you're going to pay the admin fee for that, and then you're going to send the $500 up. And then the instructions are on our profile, so we tell you how we want to receive the payment, whether it's PayPal, Walmart, or whatnot, but there'll be some communications. Most of the time, people will reach out to you and say, hey, I'm thinking of joining, and how do you want to receive your payment? Okay, so great program to get started. Again, like I said, it's instant pay. That's what I like about it. Instant pay. Now, let me show you. It's Friday. I received a payment today. This program is still working. Okay. Hold on one second. I'm going to show you here. Okay. One of my emails, as you can see, today is Friday, May 4th. Okay. So, I received the email from the company. As you can see, this is what it was. Okay. I was still in my pajamas, okay, at 10 o'clock, okay. It's telling me here, notifying me you got a new member. That's typically when people just, put their information in. And then right here it says you referred a new member, and right here is where they actually joined, okay. Where the company is saying that you got a power lead sale. So 10:10 this morning, guys, on May 4th. Okay, so just another proof payment that it came in. Now let me show you the payment that I received. They joined at the Vertex elite level. Hold on. Okay. All right, so this is from PayPal. Everybody knows who PayPal is, right? Service at PayPal 6 hours ago, because it's about 4:08 now. I had a lot of errands to do, so I'm shooting a video now. But 6 hours ago, okay, so 10:02 this morning, $500 came to my PayPal. All right, let me move this around a little bit as well. Hold on a second. All right, so if you see, if I hover over this, see it says Friday, May 4th. That's right there. That's when it came in. Okay, so before I could get my day started, I was 500, actually 550, because he bought the Vertex lead system too. Okay, so that's $550 in my pocket at 10 o'clock this morning. Okay, so these systems work. You just have to work the program and follow what we tell you to do. So let me show you here. All right, so I just want to cover this person's information up here, but $500 on May 4th, and the transaction number, I put that over that. So that came in this morning, guys. Okay, so you can get started with me in this program, Easy One Up. It's a great program to get started with, and I'm going to show you how to market this thing here. Let's see here. I'm going to flip back over and I'm going to show you how to sign up. Okay, so $500 level is where he came in. Okay, so that's nothing to sneeze at when you're talking about making a full-time income from home. Okay, that's a great place. I mean, of course, the $1,000 level is even better, but $500, guys. If you could do, look, just one of those a week. I don't know what your, expenses are, but one of those a week is $2,000. Okay, so just think if you made 2 of those a week. Okay, and over time that can happen. Okay, there will be weeks where you have 2 or 3 of those will come in, and maybe a week where you don't have anything. But the point is, at the $500, the $1,000 level, even the $250, you can make a full-time income with this business. Okay, because again, it can be worked from anywhere in the world, and they have a Spanish version, which is awesome. So what you would do, go down here. Okay, so you're on this page, you watch the presentation, okay, and then you just go here, and you can review everything, and you can sign up. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm going to put my information below, but I can show you how you can market this, send traffic, real traffic, to your capture page. You've got 23 you can pick from, and get this business rolling for you as well, and get instant payments. You know how long people take to work a 40-hour job to make $500, and here I just made it in one day. Actually, more than that, guys, because I've got 2 envelopes. I went to check my mailbox. I'm not going to even show them right now, but 2 more. I got 2 envelopes that came in the mail. Okay, so that's more checks that came in today. So today, Friday, is a great day, but you can do the same thing. I'm not doing anything special. I just show you how to do it. Just follow suit and copy. It's okay to copy someone, just copy the right cat. Okay, that's what I was told. So anyway, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel below. Click that red button so that you can get updates when I make a new video. And if you have any questions about this program after you've watched this video, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer them. I work from home full time, so this is what I do. So I am accessible. I don't hide behind my computer, okay? So I look forward to you joining my team, guys. Go ahead and click that link. I'm going to put it below so you can check out both of these, the capture page system and Easy One Up, all right? Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.